Hi guys, Thiago Trader here with another video on Arbitrum price prediction. This is an update on what we've been talking about on this channel. So as I mentioned to you guys, we've been doing a symmetrical triangle on Arbitrum, which I think is going to break for the upside. However, as you guys know, anything can happen in crypto, and if we break to the downside, that will not be pretty. We'll be going below the accumulation zone actually here that I showed you, but I believe we are actually going this direction. Let me share with you guys in this video why. I have some cool things to show you, but first let's see what Arbitrum can do on the charts. We still have some room here to go a little bit lower to the 1.7. This is the daily. If we look into the 4 hours, yeah, we still have a little bit more room to touch this lower trend line of the symmetrical triangle, and I'm hoping we do this, come all the way down, come up. We can break out here, or we can still come down for a few more days, and then eventually have our breakout around the first week of March. Okay, this is my prediction, so it's going to be either here or around here. And the price target, I already told you guys, around $3, potentially more. I mean, it can go crazy. These things can go really crazy. Let me show you what happened on Uniswap. I mean, have you guys seen this? Uniswap went bananas. Let's see. This is a 4-hour candle, guys. 78%, and this is Uniswap. Uniswap is an old coin. Well, not like Litecoin or Bitcoin, but it's like, compared to Arbitrum, it's old, and it did a 77% pump. So can you imagine what a new coin like Arbitrum can do? And here we are just predicting what? Yeah, around 50% pump. So you guys can see the picture, right? If Arbitrum does anything similar to what Uniswap did, it's going to go bananas. So get ready, get your rocket ready. I mean, nothing is guaranteed on this market. We might go down, okay, just a warning. But I don't think it's going to happen. Let me share with you why. So first of all, let's check what's happening on Ethereum, because we already know Bitcoin is going sideways, but Arbitrum is layer 2 of Ethereum. So it's important we check what's going on Ethereum. So the money flows from Bitcoin to Ethereum, then from Ethereum to the mid caps, and then to the lower caps. So Arbitrum is on the mid to lower caps. So the money should be getting to Arbitrum really soon. As long as Ethereum continues on this range or doing like this kind of sideways movement, it's going to be amazing. Okay, all the mid caps are going to benefit. This is what we're hoping for. Unless any major black swan event happens, everything is on track for us to have a bullish scenario. Okay, let me show you here another chart that will give you some idea on what's happening on Arbitrum. So this is the Arbitrum Ethereum chart. So you can see that since let me just put this further away. Since we had our top in Arbitrum, which was around January, you can see here, yeah, January, Arbitrum has been losing against Ethereum. So you would be better investing in Ethereum since the top than on Arbitrum. We just lost almost 40%, 36%, which means that now it's a good time to invest in Arbitrum, because we just came down to this level, which can be considered a support. I don't know if you're going to break down, but it used to be resistance, so it might become support. So if there is a good time to enter Arbitrum is after it lost some value against Ethereum. Not here at the top, but here, because the money flows from Ethereum to the mid caps. Okay. Another positive, guys, we just had a research report that came from this Nansen Research. Basically, they are an on-chain intelligence research firm on crypto. They have a team of analysts, and they just released this report on the Arbitrum's Edge, where they analyze the layer 2 giant in the Ethereum ecosystem. You guys can sign up to read the whole report. I will put a link below. I don't get any commission for this. This is just free information that I found on the news, and I'm just sharing with you guys, okay? So they wrote down some key takeaways that you can check out for free. So basically, the things that Arbitrum has positive going on for them. You guys can pretty much read it. I put the link on the description. I would just mention that they talked about one of the major risks that I also been talking about on the channel, which is the circulating token supply unlock in March. Many people are asking me, what do I think about it, if it's going to dump the price or not. Guys, look at this. We can never truly predict what's going to happen. But if you look at the charts, basically, we can see we had the top here on January, right? And then the market has been coming down. Many people are already taking profits, right? So it doesn't mean now when the tokens are going to be released that people are going to sell it at these prices. Maybe they want to sell it when the price reaches $3, $4, right? People don't want to sell if they are not having in crypto, especially with the new crypto. People don't want to sell with just 100% or sometimes even 200% profits. People want to sell, those 4x's, 5x's. So because we are starting a bull market and because Ethereum, Bitcoin is doing pretty well, we cannot be absolutely sure that the market is going to dump because of the circulating supply increase of 87%. One thing would be if we were on a bear market, that would be for sure a dump. But when the sentiment is high, optimistic, when there's greed on the market, and people don't just want to sell for 100%. I know it's crazy. 100% is a lot in normal markets, but crypto, it's nothing, as you guys know. So it's impossible to predict. According to the current market conditions, we can say that there is a probability that the price goes lower because the supply is going to increase so much. The probability is always higher that we're going to have a dump, especially if we pump before. That's why I've been telling you guys that I'm going to exit part of the trade before the token unlock, because I expect we have a pump before. However, think about it this way. If the token release is already getting priced in, so imagine we don't have a pump right now, we come all the way down, and let's say actually it is going to break out to the downside. So that means the market is already pricing in before the token release. If it breaks down to the downside, if we go all the way here, it means that the opportunity actually it's going to be to get inside Arbitrum before so this is the beauty of what's happening. Like anything that happens can be used to our advantage as traders. Okay, this is the message that I want to communicate to you guys. Anything that happens, whether we go up or down, is positive. Why? Think about it this way. If we go up to the price prediction of $3 on the short term, you can take profits, right? You can invest in another cryptocurrency. Great, you make some money. If it goes down, that means the market is already pricing in the token dump before it happens. And you can buy Arbitrum for cheaper, like for example it's 0.7, and then you're going to be riding the next up all the way from 0.7 to potentially $3, which is going to be crazy. The potential might be, let's say, from here to here, that's 300%. So whatever happens, it's just going to be a waiting game. So it can happen on the short term if we break out now, or it can happen on the medium term if we go lower. But if you guys are patient with your capital, if you don't lose your minds, okay, if you are able to hold the position or to invest if we break down, you can profit from it, okay? Just make sure that when you do profit from it, you share your profits with the people around you, with the businesses around you, with the community around you. Don't just hoard it for yourself. Share with friends, buy gifts to your family, make people happy around you. Yeah, that's the thing. That's the thing that I can give you an advice that I think it's really cool. You're going to be happy. Whatever happens, you're going to be happy. If we go down, you have an opportunity to accumulate more. If we go up, you make more money on the short term, and it's also great. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this update. My name is Thiago, and if you enjoyed this video, give a like, subscribe to the channel for more motivational and prediction videos like this. Thank you so much. My name is Thiago. Have a good one.